Hi everyone, this is KJM Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is the day that the Lord has made. One of my favorite entry or song in Eurovision 2024, which is from Israel, Eden Golan. I made a reaction video earlier with a rehearsal, and I heard that there's one guy booing. I only heard one guy, but booing is just like he is encouraging to the people that please boo Eden Golan, but in the middle of the set performance, or not in the middle, I think in the first part, after the first part of the set song of Eden Golan, Hurricane, literally the people are clapping. The people inside of the venue in Malmo, Sweden was really happy. That was in rehearsal. Okay, so I am not pretty sure what went something like what is happening on the second semi-final round. So I want to take any longer one of the toughest contender, one of the strongest, one of the bravest, and one of the music that I loved this 2024, the Hurricane. I even used the sad song when I posted an Instagram story. I used the sad song. So yeah, without further ado, let's all watch this. Please, to the people who were watching here, something like telling, something genocide and whatnot. Oh my goodness gracious. Please set aside that kind of statement because it has nothing to do with the performance of Eden Golan. Let's just appreciate. We are here to appreciate the talent of this girl. Without further ado, and the music, of course, from Israel. Yeah, let's all watch this. Anyways, I'm energetic right now. I just finished like 10 videos, but my what do you call this? My feeling right now is Diana is happy. Eden Golan. Wait a minute, is she a full-blooded Israel or a Russian? Because I read in the comment section that they're booing her because she is Israeli or she is a Russian. Something like that. I don't know. Anyways, let's do this. Let's do this. Eden Golan. My God. My God is gracious. Anyways. Alright. There you go. How she will gonna start the song. So that is the essence. That is the essence of that execution I saw on the Twitter. The picture behind that one. That is her introduction. Okay. Because this is the first time that I'll be watching it live. Love the vocals. There's a lot of people clapping her. Go girl! Fight! I love you, no matter what. Chorus. Oh, not yet, not yet. My God, her low notes are very flawless. Wait a minute, before we will go to the chorus part, let's just appreciate her low notes plus the riffs and runs that she executed there. Vocals there. I have to be honest with you. She is one of the, not one, but the best vocals here in Eurovision 2024. I know it's a big statement. I have a lot of favorite. Greece, Azerbaijan, Armenia. I also included Switzerland. I love the entry of Switzerland. And also Croatia, Baby Lasagna, Ukraine as well. But nothing can beat in terms of vocals. This girl, Israel. For me. For me. Don't contradict. This is a reaction video. I have to state the fact that I based on my opinion. Because there's a lot of people contradicting me. Anyways. Okay. Wow. Oh, look at her eyes. One of the emotional songs. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. I'm literally crying right now. I'm literally crying right now. Oh, there's a lot of people clapping. Thank you to the people in Malmo, Sweden who were clapping during that time. And then Golan needs that. Oh, her low notes. Her low notes. Wow, soft tone. Nice. Okay. She's crying. I mean, she's singing with all of her heart. Wow. Wow. The camera loves her. The camera loves her. There's a lot of people clapping. I love that. Shame the world me that I should leave over Hot Girl. No way, already done? Eh, wow. Israel. Wait a minute, I just want to repeat the set. Wait, let's just finish this one. Eh, alright. Wait a minute, that is not enough for me. That is not enough for me. I really love when she's singing. No, this part. No. Yes, this one. Okay. Because of her low notes here. Yeah, that part. Yes. Wow. Nice. I love the song. Anyways, already done. Already done. I don't want to cry for today's video, but nevertheless, congratulations! Congratulations! I really love her performance, seriously. This is KJ Vlogs, and see you in my next vlog. Bye from Israel!